Having 2 days off allows individuals to recharge mentally and emotionally. Continuous work without adequate breaks can lead to burnout, stress, and decreased motivation. Time away from work provides an opportunity to engage in leisure activities, spend time with family and friends, or simply relax. This break is essential for maintaining a positive mindset and enhancing overall life satisfaction.
Rest days are vital for maintaining high levels of productivity. When individuals take time off, they return to work refreshed and more focused. Studies show that regular breaks can lead to better decision-making, increased creativity, and improved problem-solving skills. By allowing the mind and body to rest, individuals can perform at their best when they return to their tasks, ultimately benefiting both themselves and their employers. In summary, 2 days off each week are important for fostering mental health and enhancing productivity, making them essential for a balanced and fulfilling life.
Sounds pretty essential, right? How do you usually spend your days off?